Forgetful Gemsmith. Okay. Practice.
For the win!
Ooh, we get a sword. Attack method makes the hero attack the target unit. Okay. We have to shank them. Your hero must survive, collect all 4 gems, get to the exit. Bonus, no code problems. Bonus, under 9 statements. Collect the gems by using your move commands. Okay. So, we need to go right, down, right, right, up, right. So, let's do hero. Move right. Wait, aren't we supposed to be attacking somebody? Maybe not. Hero, move down. Hero, move right. I'm gonna make it run 2 times so I don't have to type it twice. Hero, move up. And then hero, move right. Let's see. Because who are we attacking?
Move down. Move right.
Perfect.
Move up. Move right.
Yay, we got bonus code and all that.